Once you've started your WebEx meeting or training center session, you may want to share a particular file, such as a PowerPoint or a picture, with with the attendees. And the way that you go about doing that is by clicking on the Share File button right here. It basically prompts you to select which file you'd like to share. And so from my desktop, I can find the PowerPoint file that I've created for this. And once you do that, you'll notice that a new tab appears at the top of your WebEx session that happens to be the name of your PowerPoint file. And so when I click on this, it switches over to the PowerPoint that I've uploaded. And what you're seeing on the screen here is identical to what the students or the other meeting attendees will see. So if I were to switch over to session info, they would see that. If I would go to quick start, they would see that as well. However, their options would be limited because they are not the host or presenter of the session. But going back to the shared file, from here I can use the arrows at the top to go between slides in my PowerPoint presentation. I can also use some of the annotation tools at the top to make marks on some of the slides or images as I'm talking over top of them during the presentation. Once you're done, you do have the ability to close the window, and at that time it will ask if you want to remove the content from all of the participants' viewpoints. I choose yes, and before it does that, it asks you if you want to save the current document. What this will do if you choose yes is it will save in a PDF format all of the slides for your presentation along with any annotations that you have added to the slides from within your WebEx session. So I can click on yes, I want to save, I can give it a name, and then under file format be sure to choose PDF, which is going to be the more recognizable format. And so I can click on save, and you'll notice the file has now been closed. And if I go switch over to my desktop, I now have a PDF here with the slides and annotations.